Hello everybody, welcome again to the robot steel structure course. Now in this lecture we want to define the load, the type of loads that we have in this course. Okay, so we go to the robot, we go to load types, or we can go directly from here. First of all, we have the self weight, we name it as W. Okay, we put add. Okay, then we have dead L, it is the superimposed dead load, we put L. Then we have the live load, okay, we put add. And also we have the snow load, roof life for example, or we can put none. And also if we have another industrial loads, concentrated or uniform load, you can add them as live load and put included them this industrial load into live load. So we have defined our type load that we will put them on our structure. Thank you for listening. We will continue on the next lecture.